As the sun rises, the day begins for us humans, and as it sets, our day comes to a close. But there's someone who starts their day when the sun sets, and only an owl could do that. The owl is the one who prefers to stay awake at night and sleep during the day. In the deep darkness of the night, when we're fast asleep in our homes, the owl ventures out to hunt. This bird possesses countless unique features that are enough to astonish us. It cannot be considered just an ordinary bird. For centuries, it has been known as a mysterious creature, often associated with fear, suspense, and mystery. In many cultures, the owl is mentioned. Some cultures regard it as an intelligent creature, while others see it as a symbol of darkness and superstition. However, the most popular belief about the owl is that it is a symbol of wisdom. This belief stems from ancient times when the Greek goddess Athena, known as the goddess of wisdom and a warrior goddess, had an owl as her companion bird. Based on this, the owl came to be regarded as a symbol of wisdom and also of victory. Greek soldiers, when they saw an owl flying before heading to war, took it as a sign of their victory and fought with great zeal. This shows that our connection with the owl is ancient and has left a deep impact on various cultures. The journey of this mysterious owl on Earth has been long, spanning 70 to 80 million years, facing challenges and continuing to move forward. While we might think all owls are the same, that's not true. There are around 250 species of owls, each adapted to its environment. For instance, the barn owl and great horned owl live in forests. The burrowing owl and short-eared owl inhabit open grasslands. The barn owl and long-eared owl are found in marshy areas, and the snowy owl thrives in snowy regions. The eastern screech owl can even be seen in urban areas. This means owls can live in all kinds of environments, forests, grasslands, or even snow. Except for Antarctica, different owl species are found on every continent. Owls come in colors like brown, gray, black, and white, and their sizes vary greatly. An owl's height can range from 13 to 71 centimeters, and its wingspan can be between 25 and 182 centimeters. Among the many owl species, the smallest is the elf owl, about the size of a sparrow, measuring 5 to 6 inches long and weighing only 40 grams. The largest is the Blakiston's fish owl, which is over 2 feet long with a wingspan of up to 6 feet and a weight of up to 4 kilograms. Sometimes, the frogmouth is mistaken for an owl, but it's not one. Though it is nocturnal like the owl, it is more similar to nightjars, which are active at night. Owls can be distinguished by their face shapes. Some have round faces while others have heart-shaped ones. Based on this, they are divided into 2 families: the barn owl family, with heart-shaped faces, and the true owl family, with round faces. The scientific name for owls is Strigiformes, and as predatory birds, they are called raptors, just like eagles, hawks, and vultures. Being raptors, owls are carnivorous and equipped with strong feet, sharp talons, and beaks, making them successful hunters and distinguishing them from other birds. As top predators in the food chain, they hunt many animals but are rarely preyed upon. While owls are raptors, they differ in some ways. Most raptors are active during the day, but owls are nocturnal. Additionally, an owl's flight is completely silent compared to other raptors, giving it unique features despite being a raptor. Owls are smart animals that know how to protect themselves from danger while living alone. Their wisdom is evident in their hunting techniques. Owls are meticulous, observing their prey and the situation carefully before attacking. Their attacks are so precise that they usually capture their prey in their talons. Owls hunt rodents like mice and squirrels, while larger species may prey on birds and snakes. Smaller species feed on insects. Some owls, like the great horned owl, also called the tiger owl, even attack other owl species, such as the barn owl, which in turn preys on the western screech owl. Every owl is skilled at hunting, supported by its exceptional senses. Being nocturnal, owls face less competition from other predators, most of whom are asleep. Their large, magical eyes provide clear vision in the dark. Like humans, owls have forward-facing eyes, allowing them to see objects in 3 dimensions. However, their eyes are not spherical like ours, but tube-shaped, fixed in their sockets, so they cannot move them. Instead, owls rotate their necks up to 270 degrees to survey their surroundings, thanks to their 14 neck vertebrae. Owl eyes are remarkable, making up about 5% of their body weight, compared to 0.03% for humans. Their retinas have more rods than human eyes, enabling them to see in low light. They also have 3 eyelids, one for blinking, one for sleeping, and a third nictitating membrane to protect their eyes from dust and keep them moist. Thus, their large eyes provide clear vision for hunting in the dark while keeping them protected. Contrary to the belief that owls can't see during the day, they can see clearly in both day and night. Some species, like the snowy owl, are more active during the day. However, since most owl species are nocturnal, this is considered their natural behavior. Their hearing is equally impressive. Owls' ears are so sensitive that they can locate prey by sound alone, even if it's hidden under snow or leaves. Their asymmetrical ears, one higher, one lower, allow them to locate sounds in multiple dimensions, making it easy to pinpoint prey from a distance. When combined with their vision and hearing, owls can easily track prey. Their flight is another asset. Owls have large wings that produce no sound, thanks to their structure. The large surface area of their wings reduces flapping noise, and their soft feathers act like silencers, keeping them warm and muffling sound. This allows owls to approach prey silently at speeds of 20 to 40 miles per hour, with their tails acting like a rudder to maintain balance. Once near their prey, owls use their flexible feet and sharp, curved talons to seize it. Their feet, with 4 toes, 2 forward, 2 backward, are designed for a strong grip. The 4th toe can move forward or backward, providing flexibility to grasp branches or prey. This strong grip and sharp talons ensure the prey rarely escapes. After capturing it, the owl's pointed beak tears the prey into pieces. Since owls lack teeth, they swallow small prey whole or tear larger prey into chunks. Their digestive system is efficient. Owls cannot digest bones or teeth, so their stomachs form these into oval-shaped pellets, which they regurgitate. Biologists study these pellets, found under owl nests, to learn about their diet. Owls also hide excess food in rocks, tree hollows, or grass piles for later, giving them a break from hunting. After hunting, owls rest in high branches or tree hollows, called roosts, where they sleep undisturbed for 10-12 hours. To avoid predators during sleep, they rely on camouflage, blending seamlessly with their surroundings, like tree bark or snow. This makes them nearly invisible. Owls are territorial and fiercely protective, using scents, scratches on trees, aggressive body language, and sounds to defend their areas. Their most recognizable sound is the hoot, but they produce various sounds for communication, territory defense, or attracting mates. Male owls reach sexual maturity between 1 and 2 years, with females being larger. During the late winter breeding season, males use calls, food gifts, and sky dances to attract females. If impressed, the female accepts, and some species form lifelong bonds. For instance, barn owls may die of depression if their partner dies, and snowy owls also mate for life, though not all species do. Owls don't build nests, but take over abandoned ones from hawks or crows, or use tree hollows. Both parents protect the nest. The gestation period is 1 to 2 months, with most species laying 3 to 4 eggs, though some lay up to 12. The mother incubates the eggs, and the chicks, born with closed eyes and white down, rely on her initially. The father hunts, while the mother feeds the chicks small pieces. As the chicks grow, learning to regulate their body temperature and eat, the mother joins the father in hunting. The chicks face competition from siblings, especially when food is scarce. Stronger chicks eat first, while weaker ones may starve. Parents train the chicks to hunt and fly, teaching them to strengthen their wings. Over time, the chicks venture out, learn to hunt, and eventually establish their own territories, continuing the cycle. Owls live 10 to 20 years, with larger species like the great horned owl reaching up to 30 years in the wild. They face challenges like migration, which they avoid unless food is scarce, and swimming, which is difficult due to non-waterproof feathers. Human activities pose greater threats, including habitat destruction, illegal hunting, and superstition-driven killings. Species like the Cuban giant owl, laughing owl, and Mauritian barn owl are extinct, while the Madagascar red owl is endangered and the snowy and spotted owls are at risk. Owls play a vital role in ecosystems, controlling rodent populations and acting as natural pest control for farmers. To raise awareness, International Owl Awareness Day is celebrated on August 4th. We must consider how to protect these symbols of wisdom and ensure their survival for a balanced ecosystem.